20 January 2025. Remember this date. This date is nothing short of a revolution. As Mark Andreessen, a top US venture capitalist, puts it, this is AI's Sputnik moment. Basically something similar to the launch of the satellite Sputnik in 1957 by Soviet Union. This date was the launch of DeepSeek, China's response to ChatGPT. In fact, the US President Donald Trump has called it a wake-up call for the world. Hi, I'm Anshul, an IIT IM graduate with 10 plus years of experience. In today's video, we'll talk about what is DeepSeek and where did it come from? What is the big deal about it? What is China's stand on AI? How does it impact the US, India, and rest of the world? And what can we expect in the future? Before we begin, I have a request. If you like my content, do subscribe to my channel, as I will keep making such valuable content for you in the coming days, and I will be able to continue making these videos. Now back to our topic, let's dive right in. So what exactly is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company that has created its first open source AI model that is causing waves around the world. This is something like ChatGPT, an AI powered chatbot. Similar to ChatGPT, it helps answer questions, generate content, have conversations, something that AI tools that we are familiar with do. DeepSeek was founded in December 2023 by Lian Wenfeng. He studied electronic information engineering and computer science at Zhejiang University in China. Liang and his team wanted to show the world that they don't need massive budgets to create top-tier AI in this world. And this is exactly what they have done in such a short span of time. Imagine from December 2023, we've not even crossed 1.5 years. Now why has DeepSeek taken the world by storm? Well, for one, it was created at a fraction of a cost versus the other AI models in the world, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT-4. DeepSeek's creators say that it only required $6 million to train their model, versus the amount that was required for ChatGPT was over 100 million, which is almost 20 times more. That's a big difference, and it reinforces Liang's vision that you don't need a lot of budget to create top-tier AI in this world. Number 2 is its reasoning model R1. So what makes DeepSeek so efficient? The core lies in its proprietary model R1, the reasoning model. Unlike other AI models, R1 works by simulating human reasoning through problems and ideas. This approach allows DeepSeek to use less memory, less infrastructure, and less resources to run its AI models, which bring down the overall cost of running AI tasks. And number 3 is China's philosophy. China's AI philosophy emphasizes strategic dominance, which means that they want to integrate AI into all their relevant pillars, whether it's military, economic, or government frameworks. It focuses on rapid development through state-led initiatives, data centralization, and public-private partnerships. Balancing global competitiveness with domestic priorities, China views AI as a cornerstone of its rise as a global superpower. For reference, here is a comparison of DeepSeek R1 versus ChatGPT on various parameters such as cost, performance, customizations, etc. As you can see, DeepSeek seems to be a clear winner. DeepSeek's success is causing ripples across the world. With its philosophy that you don't need huge budgets to create top-tier AI in this world, it has been able to challenge the existence of some of the companies like OpenAI, which are today valued at $157 billion. People have started to question the spending of resources and money over this AI race. January 27, there was a huge shakeup in the stock market. Nvidia, the biggest player in the world for making AI chips, saw its market value drop by $600 million in just one day. And the reason is exactly like you think. It's DeepSeek's AI and its philosophy. This drop in Nvidia's valuation sent shockwaves around the world, and the impact was felt by the likes of Google and other companies too. Nasdaq, one of the most popular indices in the world, saw a drop of almost 3% in just one day, which amounts to about $1 trillion. Imagine $1 trillion worth of wealth swept away just like that. To put this into perspective, this amount is more than GDP of 178 out of 195 countries in the world. For Indian stocks as well, it led to a sharp decline in Nifty and Sensex, especially for tech and AI sectors. But it's being said that the real impact might be yet to come. Now let's talk about China's angle. After US imposed export bans on China, its President Xi made AI as the top priority for China. In fact, DeepSeek sets an example for China to become the leader in the race of AI, not just a follower. Unlike some of the other Chinese AI models, such as Baidu's Ernie or ByteDance Dubao, DeepSeek has a reputation of being very precise with its information while also following the Chinese censorship laws. This means some of the political topics that might cause unrest amongst the people will be limited by this AI. And this philosophy of China is deeply rooted amongst the citizens. For example, Liang himself said that China cannot remain a follower in the world of AI and it wants to close the gap with the US. What really surprised and shocked the people in Silicon Valley was that these models work in their own way. They have their own innovativeness. So what's next for DeepSeek and AI in general? Well, this is just the beginning. With cheaper examples like DeepSeek AI popping up, the companies have started to rethink their strategies to bring down the cost and create more powerful, more democratized models. The future of AI could be more accessible and more innovative than ever before. That's it for today's video on DeepSeek. What do you think about this new AI powerhouse? Could this be the future of AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more content. And if you want to be part of this AI revolution, I would recommend that you start learning coding in your free time. It does not matter how old you are or what kind of a job you do. I've made a separate video for this. Do check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.